what to see, well, ye know, just say, poor man. The night was cold, the colour was white, and doon ayont the engle he sat. My daughter's shoulders got to clap, and cudgelly ranted and sang. Oh, wow, quo he, were I as free as first when I saw this country. How blithe and merry would I be, and I would never think lie. He grew canty, she grew fain, but little did her old Mary ken what their sleet twa together were seen, when wooing they were sae frae. And oh, quo he, were ye as black as e'er the crown o' my daddy's hat, 'tis I wad lay you by my back, and no war with thee and gang. And oh, quo she, were I as white as e'er the snowy on the dyke, and lead me broad ladylike, and no war with thee and gang. Between the twa was made a plot, they raised a way before the cock, and whilely they shot the lock, and fusty the bait their game. Up in the morn the old wife raised, and at her leisure put on her cleese. Syne to the servants' bed she gazed, to spare for the silly poor man. She gaed to the bed where the beggar lay, the stray was called, he was away. She clapped her hands, cried doleful day, for someone here will be gay. Some ran to coffer and some to cast, but lost was stone that could be missed. She danced her lane, cried, please be blessed, I have lodged a leal poor man. Since naething's a was we can learn the curse to come and melt to yen. He bought the house lass and wakened my bairn, and made her completely bare. The servant gate where the dogs did lay, the sheets were cold, she was away, and fast to her good wife gone to say, she's off with the silly poor man. Meantime, for hind out o'er the lea, for snug in a glen where none could see, the twa in kindly sport and glee, Godfrey and Eugie's a one. The breathing was good, it pleased them both to